Students are drowning in assignments, notes, and exams. But what if AI could be their personal tutor, assistant, and organizer all in one? These AI tools will revolutionize the way students learn. Principals, educators, and parents, let's make education smarter. 1. ChatGPT, the ultimate homework buddy. Struggling with tough concepts? ChatGPT breaks it down in seconds. 2. Notion AI, Smart Notes Study Organizer. Organize notes, make to-do lists, and never miss a deadline. 3. Quillbot Paraphrasing Writing Assistance. Writing essays or reports. Quillbot makes them clearer, sharper. 4. Grammarly AI-powered grammar checker. Flawless writing, error-free assignments every time. 5. Wolfram Alpha, your AI math genius. Type in a problem, and AI gives step-by-step solutions. 6. Grammarly AI Smart Study Flashcards. Boost memory, ace exams with AI-powered flashcards. 7. Otter.ai AI lecture transcription. Missed a lecture? Let AI take notes for you. Education is evolving. School principals, let's introduce these AI tools in every classroom.